Good day, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Integrity Vision channel. Here, we delve deep into the latest trends in BPA and cybersecurity, while also bringing you inspiring stories of innovation and success from our rich portfolio of projects. So, if you are new to our channel, click on the videos at the top of the screen. As the new year begins, we want to let you know what changes are coming to BPA to help you and your business strategies move with the times. So sit back and look at the top business automation trends to watch in 2024. The inclusion of bots. Automated processes are designed to streamline repetitive and rule-driven tasks. Often referred to as the next wave in BPM, bots can emulate human actions, which is a significant step forward. Furthermore, AI ensures that these tasks are performed flawlessly and without error. Adaptive case management. BPM solution providers are beginning to include adaptive case management capabilities known as intelligent BPMS. In a real-world application, a genetic diagnostics companies used ACM and successfully increased the productivity of its manual processes by 50%. Rising interest in low-code systems. 76% of IT leaders agree that low-code solutions foster better relationships with business partners. In response, BPM vendors are updating their products to include process-focused low-code platforms. Enhanced workforce collaboration. In 2011, Gartner predicted the transformative impact of chatbots on organizations. Their forecast that around 85% of customer enterprise communications would be conducted without human intervention is rapidly materializing. Integrating a chatbot service with a BPM solution eliminates the need for routine conversation to identify customer needs and the like. In our quest to provide a comprehensive perspective on the future of business process automation, it's crucial to include insights from experts. To that end, we are privileged to have with us today Oleksii, Deputy CEO of Integrity Vision.
Якщо ми говоримо про тренди автоматизації бізнес-процесів, які нас чекають наступного року, я виділив би два напрямки. Перший напрямок – це технологічні тренди, що стосуються інтеграції або використання нових технологій у впровадженні бізнес-процесів, а також застосуванню бізнес-процесів. Це де, в яких галузях знову побачимо використання бізнес-процесів. До технологічних трендів я би відніс це інтеграція з штучним інтелектом, інтеграція з API, впровадження low-code, no-code систем. Що стосується нових галузів впровадження BPM, тут би я виділив інтеграція з системою ризик менеджменту, а також системами зменшення вуглецевого сліду або більш такі політичні моменти.
What mistakes should you avoid to effectively automate your business processes? How to create an efficient plan and achieve the desired results? Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest trends and insights. It's your gateway to mastering business automation in the modern world. If you're ready to take the leap and align your business processes with the cutting-edge trends of 2024, we are here to help. Connect with us on your favorite social network. Our team of experts is dedicated to creating the most effective solution tailored to your business needs. You can find all the links you need right in the channel header. Our upcoming videos are just what you need for deeper dives and more answers to these questions. Don't miss out on the full spectrum of possibilities for automating your business in 2024.